Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this one I am showing you how I prepare this simple delicious meal in an hour. I did however season the meat ahead of time. It's curry chicken and I'm using the thigh portion and a steamed white rice. So all I did with this chicken was I took the skin off and I cut them up in about 2 or 3 pieces, put some curry chicken powder and some ginger and garlic, and that's it. So some people will burn their curry, but I don't normally do that, so therefore I ensure that I let my curry right here fry a little bit, and then you'll see that I'll then add in all of it and throw water onto it, and then the ginger, especially the fresh ginger, will take away any digestion problems that you might have as a result to the curry probably not being cooked properly. So on the other side of this pot I have some water getting ready to boil, because I'll be cooking, steaming the white rice in that. So after I've think that the chicken has been seared enough, get that curry fried enough on it, the same container that I seasoned my chicken in, I'm just gonna add some water and get all of that added curry from it and throw it into that pot and then cover it. My pot right here is boiling and I'm using about 2 cups, that's 2 cooking cups of white jasmine rice, and I've added a little margarine there for extra fluffiness, and about 15 minutes right there after cooking in the water, that's what it's looking like. I've added a piece of thyme, some scallion and some carrots, and I'll be adding some bottled pepper, liquid bottled pepper for taste, and I'm just gonna cover that and let that cook for another about 15 minutes. So far I've had this curry chicken on the stove for about half an hour and it's already cooked, but I want it to be a little bit more tender. So my rice is right here, the waters have subsided, so it's cooking, and right here now I went back and checked and my rice is complete. Didn't add any additional water, anything like that, just cook the rice on a low flame. Right here you can see that the chicken is cooked, but now I'm just gonna add that last touch to it, and this is that Irish potato, and I'm just gonna cut it in some little small cubes, put that in a pot, add an additional about half a cup of water into that and let that cook, and within say another 15 minutes my dinner is finished. This is what the curry chicken looks like at the end of it all. Plate it, add some cucumber and tomato to it with some of the rice, and that's my midweek dinner idea. Hope you like this one, and please like, share and subscribe, and thank you all for my new subscribers and my regular ones. Thank you.